Hey everyone, welcome back to the PC Pal, your go-to spot for easy PC tips and tricks. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your IP address and MAC address in Windows 11. Whether you're troubleshooting, setting up a network, or just curious. Let's start with your IP address using the Settings method. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. If you're on Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi, then your connected network. If you're using Ethernet, click Ethernet. Scroll down, and under Properties, you'll see IPv4 address. That's your local IP. Just below the IP address, you'll also see something called Physical Address MAC. That's your MAC address. It's a unique ID for your network adapter. Looks something like this: 34B336A59F12. If you want, you can find from the command prompt. Here's how. Press Windows key +R, type CMD, and hit Enter. In the black window, type IP protocol configuration /all and press Enter. Scroll down to your network adapter and you'll see IPv4 address your IP. Physical address your MAC. If you're using multiple adapters, like Wi-Fi and Ethernet, make sure you look under the one that says Wireless LAN adapter or Ethernet adapter, depending on how you're connected. And that's it. Now you know how to find your IP and MAC address in Windows 11 using both settings and command prompt. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick PC tips from the PC Pal. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.